Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ankita Admirers, and this is the day 3 of daily meditation, the Om chanting meditation that we have been doing together from last 2 days. And if I talk about my experience from yesterday to today, what happened is, again I got migraine yesterday in the night time, but then it got recovered in the morning. And also I felt some good vibes today. Okay, so I didn't like feel anything lazy or lethargic or sad, bad, nothing like that. It was a good day. And I was happy, I was smiling, I am happy even. So one thing that I was thinking in the daytime about the Om chanting is what one activity I can do today. So one there were two things that I was thinking about. First was the Padmasana. If you do Padmasana, if you can do it, I can't do it properly, but I can do the Padmasana. That is a half, a half pose of, I don't know what we call it in English, but that is a half Padmasana that I can do. So one thing is this, that I'll be in Padmasana today. If you want a video on it, how you can go for the Padmasana or the complete Padmasana pose, you can tell me in the comment box. I can make a video on it. And the second thing that we are going to do, like modify on day 3, is we will when we will chant Om, we will feel an energy going upward. Okay, coming to our crown chakra from the Mooladhara chakra, that is the first chakra, and then going back and then coming from the Mooladhara chakra to crown chakra. Okay, the root, from the root chakra to crown chakra. That's what we are going to do today. And one more thing is, so today I'm going to put my hands like this. Okay, so this is basically to receive whatever the universe is serving to us. And while doing the Om chant, we will try to breathe in as more as we can, and we will try to breathe out as much as we can, right? So let me just sit well with my pose and then start our meditation for today. Okay, all right. I hope you can clearly listen to my voice. Okay, okay. Phone is, it's fine. Let it be. Right. All right. So we are starting for the Om chanting today, and the one thing that I will focus today is I will listen to my own voice. Okay, while chanting the Om, I will listen to my own voice. I will focus on it, and will focus on rotating the energy from up to down to up to up to up. Okay, and also the mudra, the hand mudra that I told you. So these three things we will keep in mind, and we'll see at the end of this meditation how it goes, right? Again, I will say consistency is the key. Although I haven't seen any big differences in my life, and honestly telling, I'm not doing for the differences actually, but consistency can help you a lot. Okay, in any way, whether you want it or not. So we are starting for today, and again just rubbing my hands. It feels good to me, and I can't start with it. Rubbing my hands till the time I feel a good warmth. So this is basically to help, the entire energies we have in our hands. And we will do this in the end of the Om chant as well. Okay, so that all right. So I myself detaching from this world, every human being and my body. I ask universe to help me throughout this meditation process to go well in the journey and to get peace, relaxation. I invite the divine energies and my guided angels to be with me throughout this meditation process. Alright guys, so my phone got hanged in between and it got disconnected in between the video, so I am making another video, like there will be a cut in between. I'm really sorry for that. And I just opened my eyes and checked. The video got recorded for 33 minutes approx, and I didn't want it to be like cut. It's okay. So, if I talk about my today's meditation, the day 3 meditation of my own without any background music, and the Om chanting meditation, we can say. I I don't know if it was because of the hand mudra that I did. I felt more comfortable and also I felt more focused. I felt a lot of vibration in my body today, like in my abdomen region, especially, and in this part, like, can you see this part? So I felt a lot of vibration here, and another thing that I noticed today was usually I when I do the Om chanting, there is a time when I just get stopped in between. I don't know what happens to me. I'm not able to continue the chant, but this like doesn't happen with me today, so I like that as well. And one thing that came in my mind is it was if I talk about today, it was more peaceful. I mean, it gave me more relaxation, and I felt some kind of good energy around me. And I pray to that good energy that whatever problem you have right now, may God bless it, bless it, bless it, Lord, bless it. Finish it from your life right now. And I can say everything happens for a reason. So be strong. Don't skip this part. Live it. If there is any kind of problem, no, any kind of hurt, any kind of pain, live it. I will not say if you are having problems, then watch Netflix, watch series, Amazon Prime. No, no. What will happen when that series will get over? Will you watch another series? This will give you peace. Like this can't give you peace. Okay. To have peace, to have a healthy mind, to have healthy thoughts, it is important to examine our mind, our body, our soul, and to connect with yourself. Okay, to connect with self first. Even what I thought today was like what I will do is when I will do meditation, okay, rather than focusing on some outer energy, I will focus on my energy, right? And this we can do throughout the day. Also, I was thinking that we this Om chanting meditation, we will do it for total 7 days, right? And we'll see what it does for us in 7 days. If you want me to extend it, then please let me know in the comment section. So in 7 days we will see how it helps us. And also I listen to various kind of subliminals, various kind of affirmations, and music. If you want to try or test me those subliminals or take any kind of challenges, like to listen some kind of frequencies and then tell you my experience over it, then do let me know. I will really happy to make those videos. I don't know where my mic was gone, in another city. Okay, let it be. So this was it. I am really sorry. I don't know what happened to my phone. I wanted it to be straight. Even I don't cut my video when I sneeze, you know. I don't want to. I want it to be pure, pure like crystal, pure like water, pure like the compassion I feel for everyone. I don't know if it's for everyone, but I felt it for almost all people I met till date, from the day I got to know about all this, like from a specific age. Even when I know few things that they have done wrong with me in past, okay, or to some other person, they have said bad things about me, or they have told me some lies, I still feel compassion, love for them, okay. But this doesn't mean although this happens with me, people take advantage of it, but don't let them do this. Be strong, be smart enough to understand the intentions of the frontier, what they are, like what they want to tell you, or what their intentions are, if those are positive or negative. And you can also search for some Chanakya Niti tips. I'm not telling you to mm, be clever, but Chanakya Niti tips are for that only. Being a little bit smart in today's world is very important, or else there will be a time when you will start hating yourself, or maybe you can lose the best thing you have about yourself, no? So we don't want that. And also I want to say, do the meditation, and any kind of meditation you can do. If you want me to do a silent meditation, yes, we can do that. It would be really great to meditate with such beautiful souls. And I hope together we can find, or we can go on this spiritual path, right? To know the purpose of coming here on this earth, on this YouTube video, at this time, on this date. There must be a reason that I am talking to you. That's why I said to you yesterday that mail me if you want to connect with me, or if you even if you think, no, I don't want to connect with her, she's doing this for like for this or that. That's all right. It's okay. We can't like everyone or anyone. Okay. So I think that's it for today's video. And today's Om chanting made me a little bit blank, or maybe peaceful, that I just want to close my eyes and just want to feel my nerves, that which nerve is connected from where, how the blood is getting floated in the body, and to to just deep dive into my body, to see my organs, to see my mind, to see my eyes from inside, to see my face, to see my heart, to see all the chakras, if they are rotating right or not, or if they are balanced or not. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's session, and I will ask you to do the Om chanting every day, um, especially if you have any joints pain, no. Although the O and merch, the all three sounds work on different parts of body, but if you have any kind of joint pain or the spinal cord problem, you can chant for a longer run, and you can chant Om for for the healthy body, or for the good purification of your blood, to to and not just the purification but also the good circulation of your blood. And also you can do few pranayams if you want to make, like if you want me to make a video on pranayam, I can do that as well. So do let me know what you are looking for, because this channel is new and I really want to know what you guys want to see. Okay, I would love to explore, to understand, and then tell you the most raw and pure thing about something. I will not edit it, make changes, and will just give you the same information that is given on the YouTube. No, I would rather explore things, understand it, and then will put as it is to you, as it is, the way I am feeling from here should be in my words, right? So hope you liked my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel, and like if you will subscribe to it, it will give me a motivation that yes, I should make these kind of videos. If you don't want to subscribe to me, you can like my video so that I can understand, okay, I should do this. And also please leave the comment, and just like something that you can't tell to anyone, you can leave it in the comment. Nobody knows you there, and forget about who will judge you. Okay, forget about that. I am there. I am there, right? So that's it. Please like, comment, share to your loved ones my video, and subscribe to my channel. Put the bell notification on so that each day when I upload the Om chanting meditation or any of the videos, you get notified. And I am also planning to make a different kind of videos on various challenges, maybe the subliminal challenges or anything like that, so that I can share with you that to help you, help you to choose which one is best for you and can work for you. So we'll do that, and you can also comment down below that what you want me to make, so I can do that on request. That's it for now. be happy. I'm feeling a very good, like I am feeling more happier vibes. As I told you, I was feeling very happy vibes today, and now after this Om chant, I'm feeling the happy vibes that are on another level. You don't need weed, you don't need ganja, any kind of drugs to get high. You just need a good meditation session of an hour, and your life will be a bliss, a complete bliss. Trust me. Do it. Do it. It's nothing if you don't do it, it's everything if you do it. So do it and let me know. You take it as my order, take it as my request, take it as an intuition, take it as an guidance. Do it. Okay? Do it. Right? चलो जी, फिर कल मिलते हैं. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, हैव फन, बी हैप्पी, be compassionate, and be truthful. That will give you a very sound sleep. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much.